Hello everyone and welcome back to the Fluctus Channel. When you think about festivals and carnivals, it is common to see fireworks that bring joy to the festivities. The great variety of these pyrotechnic elements can be seen in the biggest performance using skyrockets or firecrackers in small events. In certain areas, fireworks like sparklers have more significance. For example, the Diwali festival symbolizes the victory of light over darkness. Sparklers are handheld fireworks that emit colored sparks when they burn slowly, making them an affordable and popular option. India is one of the biggest fireworks producers, 70% of which is produced in Sivakasi, with 800,000 people directly and indirectly employed in this industry.
ചാമ്പ്യൻ ഫയർവർക്സ് എന്ന ഈ ഫാക്ടറി ഏതാണ്ട് 3 തലമുറകളുമായി കമ്പിത്തിരി നിർമ്മാണ രംഗത്തുണ്ട്. പ്രീമിയം ഗ്രീൻ ക്വാളിറ്റി കമ്പിത്തിരികളാണ് ഇവിടെ നിർമ്മിക്കുന്നത്. ശിവകാശിയിലും ഇരിങ്ങാലക്കുടയിലും ചാമ്പ്യൻ എന്റർപ്രൈസസ് എന്ന പേരിൽ കമ്പനികളുണ്ട്.
Sparklers are made from a metal wire, usually iron because they are cheap and can withstand high temperatures. Those wires are cleaned from rust or other contaminants by dipping them in sand or other abrasive. Each wire is placed vertically and at a certain distance between each other using wooden claps. A metallic fuel is used to make the sparks, which also influences the color of the spark depending on the composition. Aluminum or magnesium can produce white sparks, while ferrotitanium gives a golden glow. Along with fuel, workers add oxidizers necessary to start the sparkling effect. Usually, the industry uses metal nitrates, chlorates, or perchlorates, and potassium nitrate as oxidizers. A binder component is the third main component used in the mix, keeping both components together. Dextrin or nitrocellulose are the most common binders. In combination with water, the fuel, and the oxidizer, they form a paste. Once the paste is made, the workers dip the wires into it, forming a combustible coating. After dipping, the wires are left to dry, sometimes requiring a second dip to thicken the coating. By using the wooden holders, the workers ensure that the wires are covered equally at the same length. In some cases, additional fuel might be added to modify the burning speed using materials like sulfur. Likewise, the company might want to add other colors to its sparklers. So they add colorants like barium or copper. When drying the mixture, the wires are left outdoors for at least a week to ensure good quality. Leaving them under the sun aids in accelerating the process without the need to use further machinery. When ignited, sparklers produce little smoke thanks to their composition, which makes them suitable for outdoors and crowded places.
വേനൽക്കാലത്താണ് ഇവ പ്രധാനമായും ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്നത്. കാരണം തിരികൾ ഉണങ്ങുന്നതിന് നല്ല വെയിൽ ആവശ്യമാണ്.
Once production is finished, the products are inspected and then packaged in different envelopes, including cardboard boxes and plastic wrappers. The mixture of such materials makes the devices burn at temperatures as hot as 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit. Even with those high temperatures, the sparklers can last several minutes without rapid bursts. This procedure allows the mass production of the sparklers at a much faster rate than other pyrotechnics. Such fast production is one of the reasons Sivakasi has an increasing number of sparkler factories, reaching up to 500.
ക്വാളിറ്റിയുള്ള വസ്തുക്കൾ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നതുകൊണ്ടും താരതമ്യേന വില കുറച്ച് വിൽക്കുന്നതുകൊണ്ടും ഞങ്ങളുടെ പ്രോഡക്റ്റുകൾക്ക് ആവശ്യക്കാർ ഏറെയാണ്. ലോക്കൽ സെയിൽസിന് തന്നെ തികയാത്തത് കാരണം ഇപ്പോൾ എക്സ്പോർട്ടിംഗ് ചെയ്യുന്നില്ല.
Packaged and labeled, the product is then delivered to multiple stores in the area, usually in large quantities. This showcases the high demand for this product in Sivakasi, peaking during festivals but maintained all year long for other festivities. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our new content. See you next time.